Today we'll be doing an experiment called balloon inflator. The materials are a balloon, baking soda, a container to hold the vinegar in, vinegar, and something to put baking soda in the balloon. So we're going to use, there's no specific number, so we have some baking soda and we have some vinegar. So we're going to put some more. Boom. Now we got the baking soda in the balloon. It's time to test the experiment. So what should happen is once we put the balloon over the vinegar and put the baking soda in there, it should inflate the balloon. Oh, shoot. And there we have it, the balloon inflator.